Hey guys, it is Saturday here in West Virginia, and today we have something a little different to show you. They're 164 cars, kinda, and they're made by Hot Wheels, but they're a little bit different than anything I've seen from Hot Wheels in years before. These are called the Hot Wheels Racerverse. So yes, they're not new. They've been around for a few months. They came out earlier this year, but the new stuff that they have released is very nostalgic for myself and probably for a lot of my viewers that are, say, 30 and older, or maybe even a little younger than that. They have released Back to the Future, Marty McFly, in two variants. I only have the one to show you today. The new variant is just now starting to hit stores and vendors. This is the first release of Marty McFly. As you can see here, Back to the Future. This is new for 2024 Hot Wheels Racerverse, and they are fairly heavy. I think they're die-cast metal body and base, going by how they fill with the weight. What's really cool is the way that they're packaged. They're on a little piece of like orange track. I think it is cardboard though, but still they display really cool. I started picking up a few of these for my son Ethan. He likes the way they look and stuff like that, that they're more appealing to kids than adults. But as I said, this one and the next one I'm going to show you has a lot of nostalgia from my childhood. So what we're doing, we're just going to leave these packaged for now and hang them on our wall, and then just add one here and there whenever he sees something that grabs his attention. He wasn't so much into this Marty McFly one. A lot of people are, though. This is one that's grabbing the most money on eBay, but they just released the same car, but it has Marty McFly in the hazmat suit, that yellow hazmat suit that Doc had them in. So that's the thing that is trending now on eBay. Those things are going for like 50 bucks or more. These, if you shop around, if you can't find them at your local Walmart, you can probably get Marty for around 20 bucks on eBay. Now the two that my son loves, and this is my favorite one, the next. This is Gizmo in the Barbie Corvette. This is actually an actual scene from the movie Gremlins. And you can see up here, Gremlins. It does have the authentic name, the trademark writing, how it was. There's Gizmo in the pink Barbie Corvette. And this Barbie Corvette looks a little bit more modified than the one that was in the movie. And the toy that I had when I was a kid, there was a Tonka one. And it was almost, I don't know, I'd say 1/12 scale. The Corvette was, and it had the little plastic Gizmo in it. You couldn't take him out. He was made to it. Very cool item. Wish I still had it, especially now that I found this. I think we're going to eventually get the NECA action figure of Gizmo that comes with all the accessories, and it comes with a little pink Corvette that we can put him in, because we have the talking Gizmo, or not really talking, the humming Gizmo from NECA. So yeah, my kid really likes the Gizmo Gremlin stuff. So this is very cool. Their faces are more of like tampos than detailed. As you can see, his face is kind of flat. The nose and mouth is a little bit raised, but the eyes are tampos. They're not like detailed, hand painted like an action figure or something. Even Marty McFly is kind of like that too. The eyes are not as detailed as like what I would want, but the people's faces are a little bit more detailed than Gizmo. There's another one that I really like that my son likes it too, that I want to get as soon as we find it at Walmart. It's Scooby-Doo in the Mystery Machine. And it has Scooby-Doo sticking out the roof of the Mystery Machine. It looks pretty cool. I'm hoping that they start doing a lot of the 80s TV stuff, like A-Team and Knight Rider, maybe, well, Dukes of Hazzard's probably not, but the A-Team and Knight Rider would be cool. They may do the Dukes of Hazzards, though. They could, because they wouldn't have to worry about the rebel flag, because the guys would be popping out of the roof, so there would be no place to put the rebel flag. Now, this is the one that my son wanted, and this is a little nostalgia for me, because SpongeBob has been around for a long time. I think going on like 25 to 30 years, something like that. So, yeah, this is a pretty cool one. SpongeBob in a little boat. So yeah, that was his second pick. He actually really liked the Gremlins one, which I was kind of surprised. But yeah, there's SpongeBob SquarePants in a boat, and there's tons more. There's DC Comics, there's Marvel, there are other guys like He-Man, the Masters of the Universe, there's Star Wars, there's tons of different ones. Those are the first three that we've gotten so far. And as I said, they are getting tough to find, especially the ones that are kind of nostalgic to older collectors and such. They're going to be buying them up. So if you see them, get them while you can. I have a feeling some of these are going to be hot in the coming years and pretty valuable, in my opinion. So that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed it, and I will be back again, maybe even tomorrow, with another video, because there's so much new stuff hitting the shelves because Christmas is coming that there's a lot of opportunity to make videos. So we're just going to keep them coming for you. So make sure you turn on your notification bell so you know whenever we launch a new video. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the rest of your weekend.